Okay, so you found this in your glove box of your Lincoln Nautilus and you're wondering, what's this thing for? It says something about emergency tow procedure. And then you emptied it out. We're gonna open this thing up, see if we can do this one-handed, because that's always kind of fun. All right, we're getting it done. What is this? Where do I put it? Where do I poke it? I don't see any place for it. Well, that's because it's actually under the hood. There's actually something you have to unbolt, put this in, flip it over, and then you can flat tow or roll this vehicle along as you need to if you're in an emergency tow situation. I've got a video for that I will link above. Just wanted to let you know what this thing was. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Do me a huge favor, click subscribe to this channel. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Go ahead and hit that bell icon. You'll be notified every time I make a new video. And go ahead and feel free to throw something in the comments section there if you have questions or if you just like this video. So thanks everyone. Again, I'll link the actual procedure for using this to the end of this video as well.